Hello po Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for July the 11th to July the 13th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and please hit the notification bell para po ma-notify kayo every time na tayo nagre-release po ng bagong video. So Capricorn, kung gusto niyo po na dalawang reading sa akin, meron po tayong isang channel that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So nagla-live din po tayo doon. You're very much welcome to join the live sessions. I wanted to know, Capricorn, that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So magsimula na tayo. So Capricorn, nakikita ko dito, bakit parang either humihingi tayo ng tulong. Humingi tayo ng tulong kasi na sabihin natin naguguluhan tayo, no, sa mga nangyayari sa buhay natin, especially with it comes to our love life. Siguro medyo lito sa mga nangyayari dahil nakikita mo dito, no, parang open ka naman din sa sarili mo na sinasabi mo na parang hindi rin ako makapag-isip ng tama as of the moment, no. Kailangan ko ng mga guidance, no. Kaya nga siguro manonood ka ng tarot reading dahil para maisip mo naman or maano mo sa sarili mo na tama pa ba itong iniisip ko, no? Nadya-justify ko ba itong makatao pa ba, no? Or, parang you are also doubting your own decisions in here. One thing's for sure, pwede siguro kailangan mo lang din ilabas, no, itong sama ng loob mo. What I am seeing in here, Capricorn, chances are yung a few numbers of you medyo mas gusto ng sabihin natin meron lang maka-vent out tayo. It doesn't necessarily have to be na kailangan in conversation, no? Sakali lang, no? Meron tayong mapaglabasan ng sama ng loob. I am seeing here reach. So we are actually in alignment with, probably I wanted to also talk to my person, no. Something here about the conversation that needs to happen. Probably also, I also need to talk to the person to give me some clarity, no? Kasi ang nakikita ko dito, I have a lot of questions in my head, no? Chances are, meron ditong mga ghosting, no? Iniwan sa ere. Hindi ko alam kung kami pa ba, no? Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari na sa relationship namin. Kumbaga, I need some enlightenment, no? Pwede rin kasing meron mga bagay na ipinapakita si person sa akin. Sometimes I am assuming. I just want some answer na probably an idea of those people whom sabihin natin nasa labas, no, ng box, no, ng relationship, para meron akong clear, no, na either paghuhugutan or references. With the Fool card, the Judgment, and the Ten of Coins, parang naisip mo tuloy, either ang aga-aga pa ng relasyon, nandito ka na agad, or ang bata-bata ko pa, no, to experience this kind of situation, no. Probably there's also, sabihin natin, age gap, no, with you and your person. It may be a May-December love affair. It might not be. But what I am seeing in here, if we're not talking about the age, we're probably talking about the maturity, no, of the person, of you and your person. So someone probably isip bata or immature, no? Someone here, it could be you, it could be your person who's a little mature, no? Um, but I believe here you're still somehow choosing the relationship and the person. Just let me know what's happening in the connection, no? Uh, with the tower in here and the temperance. So it kind of make me feel siguro iniisip mo rin, ako ba may kasalanan? That's actually one of your questions, no? Ang masakit dito, you're making excuses na baka sinasabi mo, kasi ganito yung ugali ko, kasi yung ganito um, yung pinaparanas ko sa kanya or how I treat my person, baka ako nga yung mali, no? I want you to know, kasi some others with the tower in here, no? Some other tower cards depicted more of yung mag-isa lang siya, no? Pero chances are, I think that this is also, you have a contribution, pero wag mo naman akuin ang lahat, no? This is a two-way street. You are a team. Whatever happened to the situation is not just you, no? With the Three of Cups and the Two of Coins. So probably you are also thinking, I am actually losing enthusiasm, no? Na magkakabalikan pa kami. Pero at least let me know. So this is malalang um, ghosting, if I may say, no? Malalang scenario ng ghosting. So there's actually two in here, decay and current. So I feel like you are holding, kunin na natin tong dalawa, ha? Kasi usually isa lang, pero it jumped from the cards, I mean from the deck, so may ibig sabihin yun. I think that the current in here and the decay, you're kind of like, you're, inaantay mo na lang, siguro meron kang sa isip mo, no? Sinasabi mo sa isip mo na, sabihin mo lang kung tapos na. At least hindi ako nag-overthink, at least hindi ako umaasa. Yes, masakit, pero don't let me hanging to something na, kumbaga, nasaktan mo na ako eh. No? Don't prolong the agony of me hurting. I feel like, just let me know. You're actually looking for either a confirmation or sabihin natin kind of validation from the other person. No? So let's shuffle some more cards and check more of the tarot cards in your um, reading, no? While I'm shuffling the cards, I want to ask a little favor sa inyo, Capricorn. May gumagaya po kasi sa account ko, no? Kinuha yung logo ko, kinuha yung mga videos ko, created a new account. Kung hindi nyo mapapansin, no, almost similar, may mga ilang letters lang na binago, pretending to be me. Mapapansin nyo naman kasi mas marami siyang fina-follow kaysa sa followers niya. And the thing is, nagsusulisit na siya ng money. So, ang masakit doon, this is my, kumbaga pinagpaguran ko to, no? Pinagpaguran ko makagain ng followers, pinagpaguran ko yung mga videos, no? Nagbabayad tayo ng internet, no? Yung oras natin, tapos kukunin. Ang masakit doon, kumuha siya ng video na meron akong mukha. So, that's actually, this is an intellectual, property. And plus identity theft kasi kumuha ng logo, kumuha ng ng information. And again, mga nasa almost 3,000 na yung fina-follow niya. And marami rin po na-message sa akin. Yung iba baka mag-comment dito, no, na-message sila noon. Kapag ganun yung nangyari at hindi ko na pigilan, no, I'm taking actions, don't worry, I'm also taking actions on that. Pero kailangan ng mass reporting, so paki-report naman po. Nasa description box po yung link, paki-report po. Kasi pag hindi siya natigil, ako na lang yung titigil, no, kasi para matapos yung ginagawa niya, para hindi siya makapang, kasi kung totoong reader siya, ba't hindi siya mag-read? Ba't kailangan niya yung reading ng iba, di ba? So doon pa lang meron na talagang fishy. Anyway, let's go back. Pasensya na, no? Inubos ko yung oras ninyo sa aking rant. Actually, medyo stressed tayo doon, no? Dapat nagfo-focus lang ako sa reading. So, nahahati kasi yung oras ko. I'm taking actions na rin, pero paki-report na rin po. Going back to your reading, Nine of Swords, Six of Wands, and the Hangman. So, speaking of stress, nai-stress din tayo kasi what you wanted in here is sana merong hope na give me a reasonable parang a reasonable explanation, no? Para kasi, yung parang sinabi din ni, ano to eh, Piolo Pascual, I deserve an explanation, no? Parang ganon. Kasi, in the first place, itong relasyon na to is binuo nating dalawa. Bakit yung desisyon napunta sa'yo? Wala man lang akong nasabi, no? Kumbaga wala ako ditong say. Parang nawalan ako ng halaga. I'm still hoping that someday, no, magkaroon ako ng makita kita, makausap kita, mabigyan ako ng clarity, no? Yung iba sa inyo medyo binabangungot, no? Kasi sa mga hindi magandang nangyayari. Let's clarify the Nine of Swords, the Six of Coins, and the Queen of Wands. So, iniisip mo pa rin yung welfare ni person. Napakabait naman ang puso ni Capricorn. Kasi, in spite of it all, nasaktan ka na and everything, iniisip mo pa rin na yung welfare niya nasa na kaya siya, kumain na kaya siya, mabuti kaya yung lagay niya, no? This is actually a genuine love, which I believe hindi nakikita sa karamihan ng tao, no? What I am seeing in here is you fully, no, devoted yourself with the person. With the Three of Swords, ganun na lang kasakit talaga ito. And the Ace of Cups, up until now, mahal pa rin natin siya. Ang sakit ng feeling na yung taong nasaktan ka, inaantay mo para gamutin yung sugat mo, where in fact siya yung nanakit. Nakita mo yung I mean, can you imagine na sinaktan mo ko, tapos aantayin kita, hoping na sana magamot mo ko. No? That's actually true love. Ang sakit. Capricorn. Bakit ito na naman ako? Every Capricorn reading, naiiyak ako. Remember, meron akong isang reading for Capricorn. Anong meron sa puso ninyo? No? With the Ace of Swords and the Two of Wands. I'm seeing magpapakita itong taong ito. I'm seeing i-resolve niya yung issue ito. But I believe, no, Cappies, isipin mo naman yung sarili mo. Ako na yung mamakaawa. Alam mo, pag Capricorn reading, kailangan hinahanda ko talaga yung puso ko kasi para akong sinusuntok, no, yung puso ko. I believe that was just 4 readings ago, nung umiyak ako sa Capricorn reading, eto na naman tayo dahil ramdam natin ang pain. So, isipin mo muna yung sarili mo bago mo isipin yung iba. Please, no? So, tingnan natin dito ang either nilalaman ng puso mo o nilalaman ng puso ni person, no? Capricorn. Anong nangyayari? I miss you. I know. Miss mo yung tao. Or probably this is also a mirrored energy that your person is missing you. Pero kung namimiss ka niya, nasaan siya? Right? Now is not the time. So, sinagot yung tanong ko, ura-urada. No? Now is not the time for me to show up and explain everything. But you know what was the entire energy of it? It kind of made me feel that your person's going to show up with an apology dahil nasaktan ka niya. But I believe, read between the lines, no, with the energy that I'm picking up. I don't want to punch you more and inflict some more pain, but I think it's time to also look at yourself in the mirror and then probably sabihin mo sa sarili mo na you deserve better because there's really someone better for you, no? Um, at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin talaga yung masusunod. As a reader, ayaw kita sa taong ito. And speaking of, let's check the zodiac sign of the person, of your person, to confirm if this reading is for you. I'm seeing Leo, I'm seeing Taurus, Sagittarius, Scorpio, uh, Pisces, Sagittarius, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Aries, no? So, Capricorn, this is your reading. Again, please, no? Bukod sa isipin niyo yung sarili niyo, isipin niyo rin ako. Paki-report po, nasa description box po yung link. Siya po yung unang-una doon. Please report the account, lalo na sa may mga TikTok, no? Kasi pag hindi siya tumigil, ako na yung titigil. Ayaw po natin yon. Paano na kayo? Paano na yung reading? Paano na yung guidance, no? So, please report, please report, please report. This is your reading. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. Yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And Capricorn, gusto ko lang pong ipaalam sa inyo, no, na pwede rin naman kayong tanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, no, sa description box, nandun po lahat ng aking information. Doon lang po kayo mag-check, no, to verify if your transaction, if you're transacting with a legit person. Kasi I have the number there. I also have the name na pwede nung i-match. Kapag hindi yon, hindi ako yon. I also have the form, how much per question, no, QR codes, nandun po lahat. And also, paki-check na lang, no. I also created a 4 question plus 1. That's actually a discounted price. And you also want to book a personal reading, nandun din po yan sa ating description box. Be vigilant, mag-ingat po, no, sa mga gumagamit ng account. Magpa-read sa totoong reader. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye!